Hey everyone! In this quick video, I'll show you how to permanently delete your Google Maps search history. Whether you want more privacy or just a cleaner history, follow these steps to wipe it for good. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Google Maps app on your phone or visit maps.google.com on your computer and make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account. Step 2. Tap your profile picture. Go to your data in Maps. Then scroll down and tap See and Delete Activity under Location History or Maps Activity. Step 3. You'll be taken to myactivity.google.com. This is where all your map searches and locations are stored. You'll see entries with dates, times, and what you searched for. Step 4. To delete specific entries, tap the three dots next to an item. Delete. To delete everything, tap Delete. Choose All Time. Confirm your choice. Bonus tip. To stop Google from saving your Maps activity in the future, go back to myactivity.google.com, click Activity Controls, and turn off Web and App Activity or disable Location History. And that's how to permanently delete your Google Maps search history. If this was helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to How to Tutor for more privacy and tech tips. See you next time!